Hi, my name is Chris. So being stuck in quarantine, I haven't made a video in a while, but I recently got a relatively affordable karaoke system that I felt like I had to share. This is a dual channel wireless handheld microphone system by Fifine. To temper expectations, it doesn't come with any songs, it doesn't come with a speaker, it's simply two mics that connect to a wireless receiver. I've already tested this out with a few close friends, but let me show you what's inside the box first and then we'll get to the review. Timestamps are in the description below. Let's get started. So, instruction guide. You have three audio cables. This is the aux. This is the aux to RCA. And this is the 1/4 audio cable. This is the power plug. And here are the two mics. They come with batteries, which is great. They're plastic on the outside, but they still have a bit of weight to them, so they're kind of nice. And they come with these attachments so that they don't roll around on a table when you put them down. Lastly, the most important part is this wireless receiver. There's a bunch of knobs in the front. I'll go over what those do later. And this is the back. Here's a real easy way to set things up. You take a portable speaker like this one. You plug in one side of your aux cord. You take the other side. You plug that into the line out of your wireless receiver, which is the second hole over. Take your power cord, plug that into DC, turn it on, set up your antennas, grab your mic. Now the thing is, once you turn it on, it automatically connects. So that's a great feature. And you're right, you're good to go. Can you hear the echo? All you have to do now is put on some YouTube karaoke, grab a soju bottle, and you're ready to sing with your friends. Bro, no, no. Bro, no, no, no. As for the range of the mics, it says up to 80 feet away. My studio isn't that long, so I can't really test this, but I can comfortably say that this works from at least 20 feet away down the hall, which is probably more than what most people will need in their lifetime. So in the previous example, I had the karaoke machine attached to this, but I had music playing from my computer from those speakers on the side over there. If you only have one set of speakers, here's another way you can set up. So what you want to do is you want to take the aux cable coming from your computer, plug that into line in. You want to take the aux cable coming from your speakers, plug that into line out, and you're pretty much ready to go. This receiver module acts as almost like a connector for your speakers as well as for the mic. Now I want to show you more of the audio quality. So I took off my mic, I'm going to put it next to the speakers to show you the sound coming through in terms of like the karaoke music as well as from the mic. So this is Mr. Brightside. It came out in 2004, back when I was in middle school, and now it's 16 years later. I hope this audio sounds good to you guys. Let's talk about some of the features on this wireless receiver. This hole right here, it's for a third mic. This knob controls the volume for the third mic. These two knobs control the mic's volume for each of the mics respectively. This knob here is for the echo. You can control how much echo there is, and this one is for if you use this as a router for your music, it controls the volume for the music. On the back of the box, you have line in, line out, the 1/4 audio cable hole, DC power, and the power button, and a couple antennas. That's about it. In terms of sound quality, this works really well. It's crisp for a $70 mic, but it is quite sensitive to plosives. This will pick up all the T's and P's, so maybe I'll invest in a pop filter someday. I want to go over the pros and cons. Pros: great sound for the price, easy setup, long range, built-in echo control, and overall it just works smoothly. And this connects automatically to the wireless receiver, so it just shaves off a few steps. There are very few cons, and they're quite negligible. It's, again, sensitive to plosives, as mentioned, and the mics are plastic. But other than that, I'd recommend this purchase to anyone who likes to have friends over for karaoke. It's easy to set up, it's convenient, it's simple, it's great for the price. 10 out of 10 would buy this again. It also goes really well with a nice set of tambourines. That's all for this video, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. Here's some footage of my friend trying out the machine.
The party in the USA. You have to sing louder. Yeah.